this right quick. Let's get to this right quick. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh.
It's the flight of the bumblebee. Bitch, come see me. Flight of the bumblebee. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming back to you another freaking YouTube video on blunts and souls. Am I high? I'm fried. Alright, so let's get into it. I bought these shoes when I was out in Vegas. If you haven't seen, I know I've been missing for like 2 fucking months on this channel, but I've been on my main channel doing videos, and I bought these and I showed them on my main channel. I've been wearing a pair of sneakers for like 2 months. Haven't showed you guys, I'm sorry, but I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I got these and I got another pair of sneakers on the way, so I'm gonna have videos off the easy ass for you guys, alright? So you already know your girl got some more Nikes because I love Nikes. Like, I love Nikes more than I love Jordans. Okay? So I got the Vapormax Plus. I've been trying to get these. Oh my god, when these first dropped, I wanted these, but I couldn't figure out the colorway that I wanted. There was a colorway that I wanted, but I didn't end up getting it. You know, I got an 8.5 because, you know, I got some big ass feet. Like I said, if you follow me on my main channel, you already seen these bad boys. But if you don't follow me, god damn it, you should be following me, bro. Go follow me on my main channel, bro. But I got these hoes right here, Flight of the Bumblebees. Does it like a fucking bee? It looks like a bee, bro. It looks like a bee. When I did that, y'all saw it. Bee activity. Alright, I'm hot. Alright, cool. I wore these hoes one time when I came back from Vegas on my birthday. That was the 29th. You can comment down in the comment section below. Happy birthday to me. That would be nice. I love these shoes. Like, I love the air bubble, bro. The air bubbles are like legit everything to me. Like, I think the structure, this is like dope. Like, bitch, I can see you. Can you see me? Cool. Like, the colorway is everything. It goes from, like, it don't just start at black. You feel me? It goes from black and clear, off clear black, clear, yellowish clear. Like, the clear is not even a clear, it's yellowish clear. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but it's like a yellowish clear when I'm looking over here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, look at the detail of the shoe. This right here is hella soft. It gives me like almost silk. Shit give me silk. I got some silk on my shoes. Imagine, bitch. Imagine I got some motherfucking silk on my motherfucking shit. But nah, bro. I caught these when I was in Vegas. Dropped maybe I think I spent like $220 on the whole thing. I think it was probably like $190. Maybe it was some tax in there. I don't know. Vegas is expensive, bro. Vegas is fucking expensive. Like, you can't get nothing on this shoe because it will stay on this shoe. One little drop is the Rapskis. Don't spill nothing on this shoe because you're gonna be tight. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be tight. If you spill something on these shoes, you're gonna be a sick ass motherfucker. Like, you got the little Nike check right there. Like, that a little bit. Look at the tongue. Look at the tongue of the shoe, bro. I want you to see what you're looking at, and I want you to embrace it. Like, look at the tongue. The shit fire. The shit fire. Can't get no more fire than that, right? And then you got this on the side right here. I like the little stupid little details they got in this shit. This is something that nobody's gonna pay attention to you unless you're really into sneakers or something like that. And I don't want to say I'm into sneakers, but I pay attention to stupid ass detail. Look at this right here in the back. Feels like everything. I don't even know what that is, but it feels nice. Feels nice. I like it. Yeah, man. I wanted to get the Air Max. It was, I want to say maybe 96. Air Max's 96s. The black, and they came like black. It came like this almost, but the black and white, and they was like all the way around, like the lines go all the way around. I wanted those, bro, but they didn't have my size. And then I looked down and I seen the Vapormax version of it. I said, oh, this is for me. I know it, cause I am going to show it. This is for me. I know it. This is for me. Alright, bro. Look at the feet, bro. Look how spicy they look on my feet. Like, you cannot get no spicier than this. I got the Adidas socks. Alright, my camera overheated and cut it off and shit, cause that's how fire these shoes are. These shit so fire, they fucking burnt my fucking camera, bro. They burnt my camera, man. But I'm out here fooling. I'm gonna show y'all a little on feet review. Y'all, so you already know what the fuck going on, and your King's done. King's done with this video. If you're feeling this sneaker, you already know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, sneakerhead preferably, you know what I'm saying. Show them the heat. If you want me to do a sneaker collection video, I need for you guys to get my main channel to 8,000 subscribers and get this channel to 100 subscribers. If you don't do it, I don't post. I'm out of here. Peace of habits. Make sure you guys stay black.
Like you want me 'cause I'm hot now.